Hello, I'm John Kedzierski, President and Chief Executive Officer of Evolv Technology, and I'm joined here today with Chris Kutzer, our Chief Financial Officer. We're pleased to be able to give you an update on our business following the release of our Q2 2025 financial results. We've been focused in the past few quarters on stabilizing our business, resolving regulatory challenges, addressing our cost structure, enhancing our internal controls and processes, and bringing in a world-class leadership team. We've made progress on those actions. We've achieved important milestones, and now we're starting to see the impact of those actions in our results. Our overall goal: build a durable, predictable, high-growth business. In Q2, we're excited that we added 60 new customers and have eclipsed over 1,000 customers globally. We crossed 3 billion people screened by Evolv Express. We have over 7,000 active subscriptions, and we're seeing growing interest in our newest product, the AI-powered Evolv Expedite bag screening solution. Chris, could you provide some additional details on our Q2 results?
Happy to. Thanks, John. Some of the key highlights for the quarter. Our total revenue growth was 29% to $32.5 million on the quarter. And that growth came from both existing customers who were expanding their investment with an Evolv platform of products and new customers to the portfolio. ARR, or annual recurring revenue, grew 27% to $110.5 million. RPO, our remaining performance obligation, which is our contractually committed revenue from existing customers, increased to $275 million at the end of Q2. We had some efficiencies in how we're running our business, and our operating expense declined by 19% on the quarter, and that helped drive additional leverage in the business. We've now posted our third consecutive quarter of positive adjusted EBITDA, and we landed that margin at 6% for the quarter. Lastly, and just as importantly, cash. We grew cash by $2 million in Q2 over Q1 to $37 million to end the quarter. We're very pleased with those markers, both from revenue growth, and cash, to set the tone for heading into the second half of the year.
Thanks, Chris. One of the items that we discussed at the earnings call yesterday was a change in how we fulfill our purchase subscriptions. Today, our customers buy our solutions in two ways. They either fully subscribe to our systems, meaning we are fully providing the technology, the hardware, and the software and services to deliver the capabilities that we promise. Also, our customers can purchase the hardware and subscribe to the software and services separately. On the latter, when customers decide to purchase the hardware, we fulfill that in two different ways today. Our customers can purchase the hardware from a distributor, where that transaction never touches Evolv's books, or Evolv can directly fulfill that demand. With our strengthened balance sheet, our new credit facility, and the more capital-efficient nature of our Gen 2 version of Express, we're able to fulfill more of our purchase subscriptions directly from Evolv. That brings with it higher cash collections, higher annual recurring revenue, and higher overall revenue. And we're excited about that change and what it means for our long-term growth. At our earnings call yesterday, we also upwardly raised our guidance. Chris, can you provide some details on that?
Sure thing. We're very pleased to raise our outlook for the year on both the top and bottom lines. We now expect revenue growth in the range of 27 to 30% for the year, and we raised our bottom line expectations, with adjusted EBITDA margins now expected to be in the mid-single digits. And we still have expectations to generate positive cash flow in Q4. So pleased with where we are in the first half, John. Pleased with where we're going in the second half. Work to do.
Thank you. In closing, our optimism about our business is stronger than ever. We're focused on building a durable, predictable growth business. At the same time, never taking our eye off the ball of our core mission. We take our role as a security provider very seriously. It is at the heart of everything we do. It drives our innovation. It drives our people in terms of how we use technology to solve customer problems at schools, stadiums, performing arts centers, hospitals, office buildings, and distribution centers around the world. We're excited about the growth that we've had, the progress that we've made in building this business, and we look forward to continue to keep you up to date. Thank you.